If I had to start wholesaling land from scratch in 2025, no money, no connections, no real estate license, I would still be able to land my first $5,000 to $20,000 deal in under 30 days because here's the truth. The opportunity is still wide open and the process I use is proven work in any market if you follow it. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint I'd follow today, step by step, along with the mistakes to avoid and the speed hacks I use to close deals faster than most people send their first email. Step number one is picking the right market. If you start in the wrong market, you have already lost before you have begun. Here is my process to find good, hot, readily available markets. Go to Zillow.com, filter for new construction homes. For sale, 2025 as the year built, houses, last 90 days. Zoom out until you start seeing clusters of red dots everywhere in the same zip codes. You want to look for concentration. That is builder activity. Those are brand new houses being built, meaning builder is buying land and building houses. So write down 3 to 5 zip codes where you see, the most new houses being built. Mistakes to avoid. New wholesalers pick a random market instead of letting data guide them. You are not buying this land for you. You are selling it to builders. So start where they are already building. Instead of doing this once, set a reminder every Sunday night to update your hot market list. Builder activity changes, and if you are watching weekly, you will spot these shifts before other investors. Step 2, build a targeted seller list. Once I've found these areas, I pull a list of sellers who are actually likely to sell. In Propstream, my filters look like this. Vacant land as the property type. I typically will even put a max of 1 acre, that they have owned the property for 10 years or more, and the owner type, individual, not corporate, not trust. Location, well, these are the hot zips that we found. You can circle them on Propstream and pull your list. You can even mess around and do some out-of-state owners if you would like. These people have been paying taxes for years on these pieces of land with zero income coming in from the piece of land. That is my bread and butter. They have owned it for 10 or more years. Do not pull a list so big that you cannot get to all the contacts within. I'd rather hit 1,000 highly targeted owners than 10,000 random ones. So also you can use the last sale date to filter and target people who have not bought recently. The older the ownership, the more likely they will sell at a discount. Step 3, reach out fast. In 2025, speed is everything. You are contacting them today. I skip trace my list using kind skip, and then I send this exact text. Hi, first name, I saw you own the lot on street. I'm looking to buy in that area. Would you consider a cash offer? That is it. No long pitch, just start the conversation. Here is a mistake to avoid. Overcomplicating your first message. Keep it simple. If you sound like a scam or spam, you will get ignored. Keep it human and get to the point. Now, when you get replies, you need to respond immediately. If someone says maybe, call them right then and there. The speed of following up can be the difference between you getting the deal or someone else snatching it up from under you. So write down their name and their phone number. Call them directly. I've got a lot ready to close. It's identical to what you are building these houses on. Send me your email. I'll send over the details. That is it. It is straightforward. Builders are already building nearby. They will move fast. So trying to sell to random investors who don't build, they will waste your time. Go straight to the people already putting up the houses. Once you find a builder who buys, keep that relationship. I have sold multiple lots to the same builder without ever having to market these lots anywhere else. Hundreds of deals with one builder. Step 6, assign the contract, get paid. When a builder says yes, you are going to send them an assignment of contract. This document transfers your right to buy the land to them for your agreed price. So if you have the land under contract for $20,000 and they're paying $27,000, the $7,000 difference is your profit. Now, avoid not explaining the process to the seller upfront. They need to know you may close with a partner. Do not blindside them. Have your assignment agreement ready before you even start marketing the deal. That way you can send it to the builder the second they say yes, and you get both contracts to the title company as quickly as possible. Step 7, rinse and repeat. From here, take your profit, reinvest in more lists. Skip tracing, marketing. You can keep this as a side hustle, making an extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month, or scale it into a 6-figure per month operation by adding more leads, adding more buyers, years and doing more marketing. The only limit is how much work you put in. Now, if you want to learn step by step how I'm doing this at the highest level, over $100,000 per month with my exact scripts, my contracts, my builder lists, everything, click the link in the description to learn more and book a call with my team. This is the best real estate opportunity in 2025. Everyone that has come across it knows that, and by booking a call, you get the blueprint. The only question is, are you going to take action? Now, spots are limited with these calls, so please do not waste our time. Only if you are serious about actually starting this business. Feel free to watch any of my other videos before you decide whether or not you want to book a call so you can get a better idea as to if it is for you or maybe it's not for you. And then you can go ahead, book a call, speak with us. We'll talk about where you're at right now, how we can get you to the highest level possible. So that's it for this video. Go ahead, drop a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let me know what you want to see next.